Hello friend, today we discuss how to capture building proper shape size and geometrical. So we discuss today building capturization while digitize make sure that the polygon is closed perfectly. This is not allowed and this is allowed. This is perfectly closed, so we capture this type of building. This type is wrong, so overlapping polygon are not allowed. Each other polygon is overlap, so this is not allowed for building capture. And self intersection polygon are not allowed. This is self intersection polygon, so this is not allowed. Shape of the building should be maintained while digitizing of building. Shape, proper shape, we capture this type of building, proper shape. This is not allowed. This is perfect. Avoid extra line segments. So here is extra line segment. This is avoid. This is also not allowed. More segments. And outline of two buildings should touch each other. They should be separate by minimum gap. Here is we maintenance of minimum gap of two building or three building. It is not allowed, so we gap here and it's good. There should be a gap between building polygon and to the road. Overlapping intersection building polygon with road is not accepted. Building is overlap on the road, so this is not accepted. And avoid overshoot while digitization of building footprint. It's overlap, so we decided this is not allowed, so we not capture of this type of building. This is not allowed. Building should have only one nodes in it. No pseudo or dangle nodes should be there in data. Vertex, vertex, vertex and these nodes. A building must have vertex only on their corners. Vertex at intermediate location is not allowed. This vertex is not allowed, and this vertex is right. Corner vertex is right, but center line is this vertex is not allowed. Their vertex are correct. This vertex is correct. Here the building is wrong digitized because due to canopy of the tree which is falling on the rooftop of the building, we cannot able to see the actual shape of the building. We see here this is tree, so we not proper see of this building, but we capture this type of shape. Here is proper shape of building. This is wrong. And symmetrical should be maintenance of symmetrical shape and size building. In below example, symmetrical was not maintenance for red color building. In this example, all the building have symmetrical shape and size. This is right, but this is not right. This is wrong. See also, this is right, but this is wrong. So we capture this type, this green type of building. And this building is big size of building, so we capture proper shape. Incorrectly capture, this is incorrectly capture, but we capture here a proper shape of green line. We capture here proper shape of green line. This building is good capture for green line. Blue line is wrong. Building should be captured in the orthogonal mode of that geometry of the building is maintained. building geometry is correct. This red color building geometry is wrong, but blue color geometry is good. So we capture in blue color building safe. Building notes to be taken under care. Here is a big building and here is open space, so we capture open space in other building. Open space will the building will be captured in a new layer by naming as hollow to that layer. So we capture hollow in other polygons. Here is proper safe. Length of note is height 3 meter and width of note is wide 3 meters. So proper safe, this corner proper safe is this type, so we capture this type and ignore small cases. This one is small cases, so we ignore here, and we capture here this type of building. In case canopy of tree are falling on the top, then draw proper shape of building and skip the canopy shape which fall on it. And this building is proper shape. We capture this design. This design is proper shape. This one is proper shape. So we capture here proper shape of maximum 90 degree. Their notes are on having length more than 3 meter, but size of building is big, so it look small. Notes on the outer edge of building are to be captured. Here small notes within the continuous long boundary are to be avoided. Here is long boundary, so we are avoided it, so we capture here continuously. You see here continuously capture this one. So it is proper shape of building guideline. It is very important for capture buildings, any type of building, commercial building, industrial building and residential building. It is very good guideline for giving in this presentation. So would you like, so please share and subscribe. We also share a Word file and PDF file, so please, if you need, so please download it, and I hope you follow me and please share, subscribe. Thank you.